Join us for the Moorish Science Temple of America 94th Annual and National Convention, September 15th through the 20th, 2021 in Chicago, Illinois. Don't miss this opportunity of a lifetime as Moors from all parts of our great nation unite under the bonds of affection. $50 registration fee is for all guests ages 13 and older. $25 for all guests 12 and younger. The registration fee is non-refundable. Every year, we present impactful lectures and information from our Supreme Grand Sheik, Brother Emmanuel Braswell Bey, and many other dynamic Moorish scholars who build on the great Moorish lessons given to us by our Prophet Noble Drew Ali. This year's convention is being held at the Embassy Suites by Hilton downtown Chicago, Magnificent Mile. Gain access to the private Moorish banquet filled with savory dishes and grand entertainment. Space is limited, so do not hesitate. Register online at www.moorishsciencetempleofamerica.org/convention. Peace and love.